Randy Royall with Legendary Marine here in Destin, Florida, and I'd like to take a brief minute to talk to you a little bit about the 2018 Pursuit 325 dual console and why it wins so many awards as basically the hottest and best laid out dual console on the market. I'd like to start at the bow of the boat here. As you can see, there's ample seating room. So when I sit down in this boat, I have a very good sense of safety and security because it feels like I'm more inside the boat than on the boat. Everywhere I reach, there's a place to grab a hold of for safety. Here I have a nice armrest. If I even want to control the stereo, the remote is right here at my fingertips, so I don't have to get up to do so. And of course, cup holders everywhere. You can fit up to 5 people, 5 adults comfortably in the bow of this boat. As I get up, and I'm going to move a little bit more towards the back of the boat, if you'll look to this side, to the port side of the boat, if you open this up, and a tall guy like myself really appreciates things like this, how the lid slides back as well as the door opens. And what you have is a small berth in here, a dual console boat that does have a berth with an air conditioner. So you can actually weekend on this boat. It's a great, great family boat. As we move to this side, you notice the same slide here. This is your bathroom compartment. It's very spacious and roomy. You do not feel cramped in there. It also has an air conditioning vent in there. But you have a sink, you have a toilet with a dockside pump out and an overboard discharge, so you're completely covered there. It's the highest of quality. This is not a porta potty. As we move back to the helm area, you'll notice dual 12-inch touchscreen Garmin units, the latest technology. It even has the new Command Link gauge from Yamaha, which is actually a touchscreen gauge. It's like having an onboard diagnostics that will literally keep track of every statistic and everything you want to know about your motor, so you can diagnose a problem before it happens. Being a boat that's 34 feet 1 inches length overall with a massive 10-foot 10-inch beam, this is still a very, very simple boat to operate. It comes with not only a bow thruster, it also comes with Yamaha's Helmmaster joystick system, where literally I can drive this boat almost like a video game. So around cramped quarters, around docks, around other people in boats, this boat is very nimble and very maneuverable. If you'll notice this lounge seating over here, it can accommodate up to 3 adults or 1 person lounging either way. A very, very comfortable spot to be on the boat. Notice again, safety. Everywhere you go on this boat, there's rails to grab a hold of for stability and for safety. As we move back further, this boat has a generator that not only runs the air conditioning, but also your onboard cockpit refrigerator. And you also have a grill area with another freshwater sink. So you can do everything you want to do with the family in a day on this boat right here. This seating right here will accommodate 2 adults. And as you lift this up, there's an insulated cooler inside, so you don't have to take up cooler space with another cooler somewhere on the boat. This boat also sets up great for fishing. From here back, you see you have rocket launcher rod holders here. There's more rod holders in the gunnel. We have a nice large live well, and yet another cooler. If you want to let your bait thaw, that's just where you want to put a couple of small fish, you certainly can do so. You have plenty of room. Again, this is 10 foot 10 inches wide, a very wide boat, so it's very spacious and roomy. The bolsters are positioned that will allow you to be comfortable while you fish over the edge of the boat. This is a very comfortable boat to fish out of. And if you want to turn the back of this boat into a family boat, you simply pull out the bench seating and you can accommodate several more adults on this boat. Today is not very sunny, but if it were, you can hit a button and this sure shade will come out and shade the entire back of the boat. So you're literally, every seat other than the bow seats on this boat can be in the shade if you want them to. Very, very nice option, especially in the state of Florida where it gets 100 degrees in the summer. I'd like to mention also a little bit about the 2 motors you see right here. Yamaha 300 horsepower each. They're painted white, stays nice and cool. It doesn't show salt spots near as much as well either. With a 300-gallon fuel tank, this boat gets very good fuel economy, so it has an enormous range. You can enjoy a day going way out and going fishing for whatever you want and come back in and still have plenty of fuel left over. As I get onto the boat, this is something that separates Pursuit from almost any other boat manufacturer, is how simple it is to get on the boat at the dock. Even if you're swimming, the ladder deploys right there and you walk right up. Very few outboard boats have a swim platform the size of this, and there's one on each side of this boat with grab rails as you enter the boat from the water. So again, safety and comfort are really the main things why this Pursuit continues to win award after award as perhaps the best dual console on the planet. Again, my name is Randy Royall. I'm with Legendary Marine here in Destin, Florida. Thank you very much for your time.